She's real happy to drive it on the road. It's got a trade plate on it. And we are testing a few things, but see what happens. Very beautiful here, untouched hinterland. Beautiful, serene wilderness. Who knows? Animals going about their daily business. Yes, yes, the serenity.
Was October 2016, and that was at World Time Attack, actually. Now it's June in 2023, so that's 6.5 years. Wow, oh, it did feel good. Trent decided to strip out the LS1 twin turbo setup because he didn't like the sound of the LS1 twin turbo, didn't you, Trent?
It sounded garbage.
Cutting open the filter just to check it before it goes on the dyno. Oil change. Did you want to set the valve clearances as well?
Yes. Heard very good things about these. They got some glitter in it.
Some in there.
I mean, this had about 100 times more than this last time, and it ran for a lot less. But we flushed the whole system out of it. If we have a look at this. Bearing on the tip of this rocker, it's got way too much movement in it. I mean, that's heaps. That's like 2 mil. And good thing about Jessil stuff is they're all rebuildable. So we'll get them all off, send them out, and get some new roller tips put on them. That'll be cheap.
Wow. Oh my.
It's cheaper than an engine.
Goodness, how?
It's cheaper than an engine. It's cheaper than an engine. Cheaper than an engine.
How expensive is it?
It actually feels really good to find something. So we thought in the original video you would have seen us talking about the radiator, and people have actually said to us, "What do you mean? She's talking about the radiator and you're talking about oil shavings." Well, if we have a quick look over there, the oil cooler goes through the radiator. So this is the original Nascar radiator out of one of these cars, oil goes in and out of here. So the radiator serves two things. It's an oil cooler and it's a water / coolant radiator. So yeah, this definitely had some metal shavings in it. We think whoever had used it in the last thing had actually lunched an engine in it. But we were chasing some very, very fine magnetic metal particles. This is the tip of the rocker, and you can actually see inside there that the side has come apart, and all the really fine silver that we were seeing in the oil is these tips of the rockers have actually been rubbing on the valve stem, on the lash caps.
With these roller tips loose, yes, I think it would have caused thousands of dollars of damage. As it was, it already cost us $2,000 to fix, and it was just catching it when it hasn't done any damage to the engine. So very, very lucky that Trent caught that. I'm pretty sure he's right at the end because he's popping and banging and having a bit of fun in there. Lucky, lucky, lucky. Let's hope this is a lucky day so we get to go to the track. Bam!
Made 483 kilowatts at the rear wheels and 596 newton meters of torque. So it's not bad. It makes over 200 kilowatts at the wheels by 3.8, and it makes over 500 newton meters from 5,000 RPM. So it's
nice.
Should be good to drive.
We're here today to work out why the steering was shaking. I'm guessing it was because